Let us understand this problem, which says a ship moves along the equator to the east with velocity 30 km per hour. So let's say this is east, and a ship is moving with speed of 30 km per hour. Let it be x direction, so I have put it as 30 km per hour I cap, right? The southeastern wind blows at an angle of 60 degree to the equator. Southeastern, south is here, east is here. So southeastern wind at an angle of 60 degree like this blows with speed of 15 km per hour. Now what we have to find is we have to find the velocity v dash, wind velocity v dash relative to ship. So simply we have to find the velocity of wind with respect to ship. The velocity of wind with respect to ship will be velocity of wind minus velocity of wind vector minus velocity of ship vector. Velocity of wind can easily be resolved into its component. Let it be the velocity of wind, which is 15. This angle is 60 degrees, so this becomes 15 cos 60 degree and 15 by 2, and 15 sin 60 degree, 15 root 3 by 2. It is in x direction, so it is I cap. This is in south direction, which is the minus j cap direction. So I have put minus j cap in this quantity. So velocity of wind with respect to ship can be written as velocity of wind vector minus velocity of ship vector. Velocity of wind vector I have found as 15 by 2 I cap minus 15 root 3 by 2 j cap minus 30 k cap, 30 I cap, minus 30 I cap. So on solving this, I get 15 by 2, I wrote it as 60 by 2. 15 by 2 minus 60 by 2, which is 30 itself. So 15 by 2 minus 60 by 2 becomes minus 45 by 2, and this 15 root 3 by 2 minus j cap came as it is. Now, if I have to find the speed of wind with respect to ship, then it can easily be found by the magnitude of this. Well, if I have to find the angle, in this problem we are asked angle, find the velocity we have found in vector form, we can take its magnitude to find the speed. One more thing is asked in this question, find the velocity v dash relative to ship, that we have already found, and the angle phi dash, between equator and wind direction in reference frame of ship, that is, we have to find the velocity of wind with respect to ship and its angle with equator. This is the direction of equator. This was in east-west direction. This is the equator. So this is the velocity of wind with respect to ship. I've just plotted these components as minus 15 root 3 by 2 j cap is in downward direction, minus j cap, and minus 45 by 2 in minus I cap direction. So the resultant will be in this direction. I have to find this angle, which is this is velocity of wind with respect to ship in vector form. So velocity of wind with respect to ship in vector form is this, and we have to find this angle. This and this are same angles because these are alternate angles. So in this triangle, this will be 45 by 2, and tan theta can easily be found as 15 root 3 by 2 upon 45 by 2. 15 root 3 by 2, 45 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. 15 root 3 by 45, 1 by 3, theta is equal to 30 degree. So this is the angle between equator and velocity of wind with respect to ship.